Right, and delighted to have Mr. Suresh Prabhu, Member of Parliament, with us today, but unfortunately he won't be able to share his thoughts with you because he's had dental surgery. In spite of that, he's very much with us, and so we are extremely thankful to him. We will now request Mr. Nana Churasama, World Chairman, Giants International, and an all-time supporter of Priyadarshini, to kindly come onto the mic and share his thoughts with all of you. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Mr. Nana Churasama.
This is one of the rare functions where we have politicians who are always smiling. Thank you very much for calling me here. I also consider a very important that in any function we are able to speak the language we want to speak, because we live in democracy. So nobody should tell us what we should speak. I must also say that I have been associated with Priyadarshini for a long, long time. When I was referring our Chief Minister, our Finance Minister and Aviation Minister, I should also refer to Preeti Zinta, because she gets more attention than the politicians do. But she doesn't know that our Chief Minister is also capable of becoming an actor. And he has all the necessary requirements of a film star. So I would say that we are lucky to have a Chief Minister who is a politician, but he is capable of becoming a film star. Yeah. That makes Preeti happy. Preeti, you will have to act with him. Yeah. I can say one thing, all the awardees were outstanding today this time, and each one spoke very well. Some who have been associated with United Nations also. So I think that this is a great evening. I would only request our political leaders who are sitting here that for many years we have been asking for an academy for Priyadarshini. With Nanik Rupani's dynamism, we can easily make an excellent convention center. So what we'll suggest to the Chief Minister is, since you're a good leader, please take your leadership and give us some land for making a Priyadarshini Academy. Do you all agree? So with your applause, he has no other choice. But we can assure you, we won't come for funds. We don't want funds, we want only a piece of land where we can build this academy. And it will be an asset to the city of Mumbai. So, sir, if you love Mumbai, please give us this, Priyadarshini. As far as Nanik Rupani is concerned, I have associated with him for the last 45 years. And I can tell you he's a very good friend, very good dedicated man. But his entire strength is not only his, it is his family. Geeta, she has contributed a lot. And his daughters, all of them I've known, they have all been supporting him a lot. So may God bless all of you and this organization. And I can only say one thing, that this organization is there to stay. It will definitely be a great asset to the country. Thank you very much.